New Saturn Fishing Boat FB300. Comfortable for two people. Overall length is 10 feet. Inside length is 7 feet. Overall width is 62 inches. Inside is 2.8 feet. Max person capacity is 4 persons. Loading capacity is 1,000 pounds. Max motor power is 15 horsepower. Boat comes with heavy-duty aluminum or high-pressure air deck full. Saturn FB300 boat features two lines with grommets and a shifted off-center of tubes, leaving enough space in between to store cargo on top of tubes. Cargo can then be lashed down using ropes, tied down or strapped to grommets on both sides. Cargo area spaces protected by extra wide rod strap for additional durability. Buy Saturn Inflatable Boat FB300 now at www.boatstago.com.